Question 7. Give 5 reasons why Moses was not willing to go back to Egypt after his call. 5 marks. Moses was afraid to go and face Pharaoh, who wanted to kill him, having killed an Egyptian. He doubted whether the Israelites would accept or believe him. He lacked adequate knowledge of the God of Israel. He lacked confidence in himself. He was not eloquent in speech. Moses doubted the power of God and his mighty works that would convince Pharaoh. Question 8. Give the events which took place on the night of the Exodus. Every man chose a lamb or a young goat for his family. The chosen animal was slaughtered. Blood was put on the 2 doorposts of the house. The slaughtered animal was to be roasted. The Israelites ate the leavened bread and bitter herbs. They ate while fully dressed for the journey to show that they were in a hurry. They stayed indoors till morning. They burnt all the leftovers of their meal. Question 9. Outline the duties of Prophet Samuel. 6 marks. He anointed first 2 kings of Israel, that is Saul and David. Another duty was judging the people, foretold God's plan for the future, reminded the people of God's ways, acted as a mediator between God and people, condemned social injustice or corruption, brought to kings' attention their mistakes, condemned idolatry, offered sacrifices. Question 10. In what ways did David promote the worship of God? 5 marks. He brought the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem. He made Jerusalem a holy city where Israelites from all over the land came for important religious occasions. He composed psalms which were used in worship by the Israelites. When he made mistakes, he asked for Yahweh's forgiveness. He wanted to build a temple for God. He constantly sought God's guidance. Question 11. What were the characteristics of the Canaanite religion? It was based on nature. It was based on changes in seasons. It was polytheistic, meaning it comprised of many gods and goddesses. Symbols were used to represent each god. Temple prostitution was part of the worship of the gods and the goddesses. Human and animal sacrifices were made to the gods and the goddesses. Festivals and feasts were celebrated in honor of the gods and goddesses. Rituals were performed to ensure continued fertility and well-being of the community. There were prophets and prophetesses for each god and goddess. Each god and goddess played a specific role in the community. There was a chief god and goddess. There were high places of worship for the gods. Question 12. What changes have taken place in the rite of initiation in Kenya today? 8 marks. Female circumcision has been discouraged. Circumcision can be done at any age. Some communities take their children to hospital for circumcision. Education of the initiates is offered by bodies other than traditional sponsors. Some initiation practices like removal of teeth and tattooing of the body are being discouraged. Some communities have minimized elaborate ceremonies associated with initiation. People are being discouraged from using the same circumcision instruments. The role of age group is fading away in some communities. Initiation practices are no longer a test of courage. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you would like I look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.